Welcome everybody to Rising Cousins. I am Zaid Kazi and today we are going to start our chemistry chapter metals and non-metals of class 8th. So in this is our lecture number 1 and the MCQs and a PPT based on this lecture can be found in the link in the description box below. In this video we are going to start the introduction and the difference between metals and non-metals. Physical difference, mind you. So you have seen many items in your life, some shiny, some dull, some strong and some brittle. But have you ever thought of differentiating these? You have probably done you have learnt many differentiations through your educational life, like biotic and abiotic. But in this chapter, we are going to divide them into metals and non-metals. So, how many elements are metals are found? 91 metals are found to be metals. 20 elements are non-metals till now. So, the examples of metals can be lithium, gold, aluminum, copper, etc. And in non-metals are hydrogen, helium, oxygen, xenon, iodine, etc. Metals and non-metals are differentiated by their properties of physical and chemical. So, let's start the physical properties of metals first. The first is malleability. Metals are malleable, that is, they can be beaten into thin sheets. But what is malleable? What is this word? So, the property in which an object allows itself to be beaten into thin sheets is known as malleability. Ductility. Malleables are ductile, that is, they can be made into thin wires. What is ductile here too? This is very confusing. The property in which an object allows itself to be made into thin wires is known as ductility. Let's go to the third property, which is sonority. Metals are sonorous, that is, they make a ringing sound when struck. The property of an object to make a ringing noise when struck is known as sonority. That's why metals are used to make bells. Let's go to the third and fourth properties of metal, lustrous and hardness. Lustrous means shining. Metals are shiny, that is, they are lustrous. Metals are quite hard too. Let's see the extra properties of metals that we need to mention. So, because these may come in your exams, metals are good conductors of heat and energy. That's why the metals are used to make pressure cookers like these. Metals have high melting and boiling points. Another reason for making these using metals, metals have high tensile strength and metals are solid at room temperature. So let's head on to the non-metals properties. Let's see their malleability, ductility and lustrous. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile because they are brittle. Non-metals are dull, that is, they are non-lustrous, they do not shine. Let's see if they are sonorous or not. The conducting property and metals in melting and boiling points. So, non-metals are non-sonorous, that is, they do not make a ringing sound when struck. Non-metals are generally poor conductors of electricity, and non-metals have low melting and boiling points. Let's see their tensile strength and the matter in which they are room temperature and their hardness. Non-metals have a low tensile strength and non-metals are generally solid or gaseous. Non-metals are quite soft. This is coal, that is carbon, and does not look to have very high tensile strength and does look quite soft. There are some exceptions to this though, like mercury, which is a metal, should be solid in room temperature but is in liquid. Like you have seen in thermometers, they are in liquid form, not solid form. So there are many exceptions there. I will not be able to explain all of these. So what you can do is take a screenshot or note it down by pausing the video. Done. Okay. So let's do the summary of this lecture. So you can again pause the video, take a screenshot, and for in taking notes, the best notes are, we provide notes, but the best notes are the one you make. Okay, done. Okay, so thank you. This is the end of our lecture number 1. Please do subscribe to our channel, comment and share. Thank you.